Oh, what do we have to unbox today? It is the Norse Blood Bowl team that is just up for pre-order today, and holy cramoly. Exciting, exciting. So, big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me this review copies of these miniatures, and holy moly. I really dig these things, and I've been making the joke about the little beer boars, and yeah, like these guys are just fantastic. And man, oh man, and of course, big thank you to Forgeworld for sending in the Star Players as well. These guys are really darn cool. This Blood Bowl Yeti is horrifying. That dude's just scary. And of course, they also sent in the team pack as well as the Blood Bowl Spike magazine that has all of the rules and everything like that for these guys. So if you are interested in picking up this team, be sure to get this issue of Spike, issue number 14. But let's go on to the unboxing. Not going to bother unboxing the players themselves, as they are Forgeworld. So these are resin miniatures, and I mean, you can pretty much see what's going on in there. Really nice. Forgeworld, as of late, has been really good with their resin production of miniatures. Not going to bother opening the cards because, well, they're the cards. They got all the strats, all the dirty plays, everything like that. So I don't think we really need to dive into that too much, right? Now we're here for beer and boars. Let's dive in. Where can I make an incision? There we go. Oh, you're gonna make this difficult for me. Come on, the camera's rolling here. You're making me look bad. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there we go. Rusty dull blade. Let's pull off this plastic wrap, this cellophane. And let's have a look at these sprues. Now, I'm sure there are plenty of pictures out there on these sprues, but it's more fun to just kind of, join me and have a peek at these things. So that's it for the box. We don't care about that. It's 2 sprues, some bases, got the instruction booklet. Oh, it's even got the little stats for everybody too. Nice. Pretty straightforward looking assembly. I like that for the Blood Bowl crowd, they don't go too complex on them. Ooh, there's even a transfer sheet. Look at that. Oh, they got curved transfers. There are curved transfers for this. I'm reading it upside down. Huh. I don't think I've seen that. Is this something they've been doing lately, or am I out of touch? I don't remember seeing this on the latest Blood Bowl. But curved transfers. That is very, very cool. 225mm base, I assume, for the boars. 32s for the players, I assume. And then our 2 sprues. Are they identical sprues? I would assume they are. They don't actually look it. Oh no, they're identical. I was looking at the wrong things. Yeah, it's 2 identical sprues that have all of the details. I like the little token there, little dragon, like a Viking dragon. Where's the pigs? I might have to paint up the pigs. Where's the pigs? Give me the pig. Oh, there he is. Oh, look at hee right there. Hee tee tee. Love the piggies. Love the piggies. Very, very cool. So that's basically it. That's the Norse team. If you're looking to get into the Norse and the Blood Bowl and all of that, there we are. That's it. Pretty straightforward. It's 2 identical sprues. So, I imagine for, other games like Blitz Bowl and stuff like that, they'll probably just, you get the 1 sprue and you can do it like 6 players kind of thing, right? So, yeah, really fantastic. I'm looking forward to diving into these. I am going to play with a little beer boars. Man, that's a hard one to spit out. I don't know why. Beer boar. check it out, and be sure to get that Spike magazine because, yeah, if you want the rules and you want all the stuff, yeah, because stuff, right? Stuff for stuff. All right, I'm rambling at this point. Big thank you to my patrons. Without your support, these videos would not be possible. If you're considering Patreon support, click the link in the description below and you'll be taken off to a magical website called Patreon, where there are various tiers of support, and a huge thank you to all my patrons for their continued support and all of the brand new ones as well. Take care of those brushes and they'll take care of you. Well, actually, you. Actually, I was pointing to me, but anyway, beer bore.